Hi friends, welcome to my channel NM Learn Make Courses with Nagmani. And in previous video, we see the how to find the inverse of the matrix using Gauss-Jordan method. That method is important for IP point of view. Today we will see the how to find the inverse of the matrix by using formula, that is det A equal to A inverse equal to 1 by det A into adjoint of A. Det A inverse is equal to the 1 by det A into adjoint A. Now if you see the formula solution, if you see the formula for finding the A inverse, you have to know what is det A and what is adjoint A. Now we will find the det A of the matrix. Now I am taking the first row of the elements only. 1 into something minus 2 into something plus 1 into something. And now if you see this matrix, 1 into 1 minus 0 into 1 0. For 2, if you close this row and this column, 3 ones are 3, minus into minus plus AD minus BC only I am saying, 1 into 1 and plus 1. AD 3 into 0 0 minus here minus into minus plus 1 into 1 1. Now we'll get 1 minus 3 plus 1 4 4 2 are 8 plus 1 equal to minus 6. We get the det of A. And now we will see how to find the adjoint of A. Adjoint of A equal to cofactor of matrix A whole transpose is nothing but adjoint A. How to find the cofactor matrix? How to find the cofactor matrix? Yesterday we see the how to find the cofactor matrix for 2 by 2 matrix also. In previous videos we see the cofactor matrix, how to find the cofactor matrix for 2 by 2 matrix. And for if you see the 3 by 3 matrix, if in cofactor matrix we have to multiply minus 1 power I plus j with that corresponding minor of matrix, that is 2 by 3. If you consider 3 by 3, the minor of the matrix will be 2 by 2 and the minor of the matrix will be 1 also. Now if you see this, minus I plus j is indicating the position of the element. Now if you say here 9 positions are there. If you see first position, this is 1 A11 means first row and first column, and second one is A12 first row and second column, A13 first row and third column. Similarly we can find, so minus 1 power 1 plus 1 minus 1 square means you get positive only, and here in minus 1 power 1 plus 2 3 minus 1 cube means you will get minus n only. Similarly if you see, you get here positive, and here this is second row and first column, so A21 21 means we get minus sign, here positive minus plus minus plus, then we have to find the minor of that matrix. If you see the problem, in for first the minor of the matrix is this, and we have to find AD minus BC, that is 1 into 1 1 minus 0 will get 1 only. Wait a minute, I will write the matrix here okay, that is 1 2 1 3 1 1 minus 1 0 1. Now if you see here, for this position if you want minor of the matrix, you close this row and column, then we will get the 4 elements, that find AD minus BC. 3 ones are 3, minus into minus plus 1 into 1, 3 minus into minus plus 3 plus 1 is you get 4. Similarly for this, you have to close this column and this row. Will get 3 into 0 0, minus into minus plus 1 into 1 1, and here similarly 2 ones are 2. Here for this 2 ones are 2, minus 0, 2 minus 0 2 only, and here if you close this row and column, 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 2, we will get 2. And wait a minute, and similarly for this position you have to close this row and this column. 1 into 0 0, minus into minus plus 1 into 2 2, so 0 plus 2 we will get 2 only. Now here if you close this column and this row, you will get 2 ones are 2, minus 1, 2 minus 1 1. Here 1 ones are 1, minus 3 ones are 3, 1 minus 3 minus 2. Here all we have minus 2, so minus 2. And for these 1 ones are 1, minus 3 twos are 6, we will get minus 5. Here we have to write minus 5. This is the cofactor matrix. If you transpose this matrix, then we will get the adjoint matrix. What is the meaning of transpose matrix? Convert the row elements into column elements. If you see 1 4 1 is the row element, so we are converting row element into column element, that is 1 minus 4 and plus 1, and here minus 2, this row element is converting into column element, minus 2 and 2, here also minus 2. For this also convert this row into column. 1 minus into minus plus 2, no need to specify sign for plus, minus into plus minus 5, 1 to 5 convert into 1 to 5. This is adjoint matrix, adjoint of A. And now if you want the now if you see the formula, we will get det A and adjoint A. Now we can find inverse of the matrix. A inverse is equal to 1 by det A into adjoint A. What we are getting, det A value is minus 6, and adjoint A matrix is, here if you see 1 minus 2 1, I am writing that matrix in here only. 1 minus 2 1, minus 4 2 2, 1 minus 2 minus 5. This is the A inverse matrix. And in next video we will see the shortcut method for finding the inverse of the matrix. It will helpful for competitive exams.